As a rule of thumb, we need to have life insurance covering 10 times or upwards of our annual income. However, in case of a loan, we may increase the amount to cover this liability too. Term plan is a simple life insurance policy that offers life cover in case of eventuality. There are also options to get additional coverage for critical illness or accidental death. It offers financial security for your loved ones in unfortunate event of death, with the flexibility of providing family a lump sum or regular income payout. Acts as a replacement for the lost income, ensuring your family maintains a similar standard of living. Do you know you can get a 10 crores cover at an annual premium as low as 1.5 lakh rupees per month? Of course, it varies from person to person basis medical status. Term insurance is a necessity in every portfolio as it acts as a safety net for your loved ones in uncertain times. Speak to your relationship manager today to get the protection you need in your portfolio. Now's your time for wealth.